Hello, Elaine here with Elaine's Creations, and today I'm going to show you this card using the Love Cat stamp set. For these 6 cards for free, when you place a $50 order using my current host code, I send you the supplies for these 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Love Cat card kit. Here is my Love Cats card featuring the fun, playful cat. I guess they're all playful, but this is the most playful, I guess. Anyway, very simple card. What I did is start with a basic white base and then a 4x5 1/4 sweet sorbet, and then some of the country gingham paper. I have already cut out my cute little furry friend here, and so I'm just gonna put this together. So I'm just gonna add this gingham onto the bottom, and then my little trick is to wrap the ribbon around and attach it to the back, and then just add the bow with a glue dot. And I'll attach that to the card base. Then I'll put some adhesive on our kitty cat, a little bit of liquid glue, and put him on the card. Then I'll stamp the sentiment and cut it out with the die from the Give It a Whirl, add some dimensionals, and add it to the card. And that is my Love Cats card.